Hey everyone, my name is
I
Jordan.
need more energy than that. Cut that.
Hey everyone, my name's Jordan.
And my name is Bree. I'm her mom.
Today we're going to be showing you how to wash your hands.
So, we have some paint here to represent the soap and water, and some gloves to show you how to cover your hands all the way when you're washing. So Jordan's gonna go ahead and put the gloves on. There we go. Okay, so are you ready to get messy, Jordan?
Yeah!
All right. So we're gonna take this blue paint here, and we're going to have Jordan put some of this on her hands. All right, so dip your fingers in there, get really messy, get all that paint out of there, get as messy as you can. And now you're going to rub that paint together on your hands until the gloves are completely covered in paint. Make sure you get your fingertips. Remember, get in between here, in between your fingers. Yep, get your thumbs. Don't worry about that. It's okay if you get a little messy. And in the end, this is what your hands should look like. You should have covered all of your hands when you're washing. So the CDC recommends washing your hands for 15 to 20 seconds, lathering it with soap, and then rinsing it under the water. The hand washing process should take about 60 seconds total because you should make sure your hands are thoroughly dried when you're done. And that is our video for today on how to wash your hands properly.
Bye everyone!